Open your bank account and find that line that says GoHighLevel, $297. Now find the other line, the agency, or you, the admin, the person you pay to actually run the thing. And those two things together, that's what your software really cost you. Give me 5 minutes and I'm going to show you how to build that entire system yourself, own it outright, and run it for about $5 a month. Not $5 a month plus an agency, $5 a month full stop. $297 a month is $3,564 a year. The person running it is another $12,000 to $24,000. So you're paying somewhere between $15,000 and $27,000 a year, every year. And here's what you own at the end of it. Nothing. Not one page, not one line of it. Try this. Cancel tomorrow. What happens? Your funnel goes dark, your contacts lock up, your website disappears, 3 years of payments, and you cannot walk out with a single thing. You were never buying the software, you were renting it back. And the money's not even the worst part. Ask them to move a button, now wait. Wait for the email, wait for the invoice, wait until Thursday. You started a company so you would stop asking for permission. Now you ask for permission to change your own website. I'm Jonathan Acuna. People call me Dr. AI. I've trained over 1,000 business owners to run their companies on AI, and I paid those exact bills for years, so I'm not guessing any of this. And here's the biggest shift. You don't need a developer. You don't even need someone who's tech savvy to make any changes to your website, your funnels, or your automation. I'm going to show you how Claude can build the system, make changes, and fix it when it breaks. You describe what you want in plain English, and Claude makes it happen. The website, the funnels, the automation, everything is built and managed by Claude. You never have to write a single line of code, and you're no longer dependent on anyone to make changes. A new landing page on Thursday, a new field on your intake form, a new follow-up sequence. You say what you want in your own words, and your agent will build it that afternoon. No invoice, no ticket, nobody to wait on. So I built a 5-day challenge, and I call it exactly what it is. Cancel GoHighLevel. 5 days. You build it, you host it, you own it. Let me walk you through what happens each day. 1, you set up Claude as your AI agent, not to chat with, but to build with. This is Claude Code in Terminal, the most advanced form of Claude. We don't use Cowork because you simply can't build anything with Cowork. This is the day that makes the other 4 days possible, and it's the reason people who try this alone never finish. We're going to show you how to use Claude like an AI developer. Day 2, your website in CRM. You build the core of your system from these templates. Or you could bring the website over you already have, and your agent will copy it over page by page. You keep your design, you keep your brand. You just stop renting the ground it stands on. Day 3, email, Stripe, forms, and automation. This is the day it stops being a demo. Your forms feed into your CRM, Stripe takes the money, and the follow-up runs whether you're at your desk or not. Day 4, hosting. You push the whole thing live to your own domain. A real web address running your real business. About $5 a month and it's in your name. This is a demo of the all-in-one business template that you're going to get. First, you have the ability to create unlimited landing pages and funnels. But the best part is Claude is going to create the entire funnel, add the images, and hook up the automation all completely automatically, and you're not dependent on anyone to make any changes to your website or funnel. The purpose of the template is to help you automate your marketing and sales. First is the ability to collect leads. So here I could put test1 and then test@gmail.com so that you can collect leads from here. But the best part is there is no Zapier, NAN, make.com to connect it from your website to your CRM. So once you log into your app, you get the homepage dashboard so that you can see what is your monthly revenue goal, what is your revenue to date. This will sync with your Stripe so that you can log in and track your revenue for your business to make sure you're hitting your goals. We can see here revenue over 30 days, our return on ad spend, how much you're at. You could hook this up to Facebook or Google to pull in analytics for your ad spend. You could track the growth of your social media channels, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and more, all in this one app. You also have the ability to track attribution. Here are some examples of funnels and landing pages that come with it, but everything here is fully customizable. If you use Typeform to collect any information about your leads or members or for onboarding, you can create custom forms that automatically trigger any sort of automations inside of your system. So another subscription that you don't have to pay for. Find the perfect meeting time with easy to use online appointment scheduling. Plus, you can set up all sorts of email reminders and notifications. You can track all the appointments and scheduling for your entire team all in one app. There's no restrictions on how many members you can upload, how many team members you can give access, and how many contacts that you can upload. Fully unlimited. You can track all of your website traffic inside of the app so that you can see where your leads and sales are coming from. When leads and sales come in, it's very easy to set up email automation, and all of your emails will match your brand colors too. And I'll mention it again because that's the whole point. Claude is going to do all of the automation for you. You can sell an unlimited amount of ebooks, courses, PDFs, free or paid digital downloads, all within the app, and it will hook up to Stripe so you don't pay any extra upcharge. Day 5 is my favorite. You upload your contacts, connect your domain, and you can feel confident to cancel GoHighLevel and let that agency go too. So you finish the week owning the thing you were renting on Monday. And you're not doing this alone. Every Tuesday, I go live and work through your questions. You post what's broke and I fix it on my screen. So one answer teaches the whole room at once. Every answer gets written down and saved so you can search it later. Britta was on WordPress paying freelancers $1,000 a month just to keep it alive. She let all of them go. Now she runs her entire platform herself, not in years, but in weeks. Now let me tell you what the system does not do. In 5 days, you build the core. The website, CRM, email, the payments, the automation. You will not rebuild every single feature on the pricing page in 1 week. And this is not a beginner course. Day 1 moves fast. We're using Claude code in Terminal, not Cowork. If you've never touched Claude before, day 1 will outrun you and you won't be able to finish. I'd rather lose a sale today than take your money and refund you in a week because you couldn't complete day 1. One more straight answer. You can run your own business on this forever and change anything you want. What you can't do is resell this or run other client accounts on it. And if you want to do that, there's a separate license and you can definitely email me about that. So here's what you're going to get. 5 days of build video, yours for life. The website and CRM templates, live Q&A with me every Tuesday for a limited time, the build room and answer library. Bill you're paying right now is $15,000 to $27,000 a year, forever. This challenge is $297, one time. There's no payment plan, there's no subscription, and there's no upsell you have to buy to make it actually work. You pay once and it's yours. And if you do the work, go through all 5 days, and you still don't have a working website and CRM live on your own domain, email me and I'll refund every dollar. You keep the templates. The risk is all mine, not yours. Click the button below. You start today, the moment you join, and this Tuesday's call is included. $297 one time. One last thing. In 30 days, that GoHighLevel bill hits your account again, and 30 days after that, and every month after that, for as long as you let it. Or you could spend 5 days and you never have to pay that bill again. Your call.